Did you know that Niagara Falls flows with over 6 million cubic feet of water every minute? These iconic falls, located on the border of the USA and Canada, are not just a natural wonder, they're a symbol of power and beauty. From the majestic Horseshoe Falls to thrilling boat rides on the Maid of the Mist, there's something here for everyone. And don't miss the nightly illumination or seasonal fireworks that make the falls even more magical after dark. Ready to experience the roar and wonder of Niagara Falls? Plan your visit now, hit that like button, share with a travel buddy, and subscribe for more amazing travel spots.